Stop trying to learn all 12 English sentences. You are completely wasting your time. Data shows that native speakers don't even use most of them. In fact, just 5 specific tenses make up 96% of the entire English language. Master these 5 and you unlock instant fluency. Look at this chart. One single tense does over half the heavy lifting on its own, and I'm going to reveal it first. But make sure you stay until tense number 3, because missing that one specific tense is the exact reason most intermediate learners sound like a rigid textbook instead of a real person. Let's unlock the biggest one first. Tense 1, the everyday baseline, present simple. This is the giant slice on our chart. It does 50% of the heavy lifting. When to use it for your habits, daily routines, unchanging situations, and universal facts. Structure, subject plus verb. Add a s, es for he, she, it. Example: he works from home. The sun rises in the east. Tense 2, the storyteller, past simple. When to use it: anytime you are talking about finished actions at a specific moment in the past. If you are telling a story about your weekend, you are using this. Structure, subject plus past verb. Example: we booked the flights last night. All right, so you can talk about your daily life and you can tell a story about the past. But here is where most intermediate speakers hit a massive brick wall. They try to use the past tense for everything that already happened. But native speakers don't do that. There is a specific bridge tense that connects your past to your present. If you don't use it, you'll instantly sound like a textbook instead of a real person. Let's break it down so you never make this mistake again. Tense 3, the bridge tense, present perfect. When to use it: when an action happened in the past, but the exact time doesn't matter, only the experience or the result right now matters. Structure, subject plus have, has plus past participle, verb 3. Example: I have seen that movie 3 times. It's a life experience, the date doesn't matter. Versus, I saw it on Tuesday, past simple. Tense 4, the roadmap, future with will versus going to. Will, used for sudden, split-second decisions or promises. Example: oh, it's raining, I'll grab an umbrella. Going to, used for things you already planned before speaking. Example: I'm going to take an online course next week. Tense 5, the right now, present continuous. When to use it for actions that are actively happening at this exact microsecond or temporary situations. Structure, subject plus am, is, or plus verb plus ing. Example: you are watching this video to improve your English. That's it, 5 tenses. That is your 96% cheat code to the entire language. Stop chasing perfection with all 12 and start building absolute mastery over these 5. Hit subscribe for more real-world English shortcuts, and I'll see you in the next video.